So hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate design just using just a single prompt. So let me show you. So first you should visit stitch.withgoogle.com, and you can see the example here. You can see. So basically it will end the Figma need. Okay, I have generated two mobile applications design. First one is this and second one is this. You can see here. Also let me show you generate image. I have selected mobile. Okay, you can see here. Also you can change the color, and you need to select like if you want in light mode, or you can say like in dark mode. Okay, also you can change the font as well, like for example said so apply. Okay, you can see here. Also you can use this prompt for the web application. Okay, so let me generate designs. Also you can see here. Also you can copy the design in the Figma. Okay, and paste it on the Figma. Okay, so it's cool now. There's no need to design in on the Figma. You just need to give it a prompt, and the design will automatically generate using this tool. Okay, let me know in the comments. See ya, bye bye.